Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5 best PC cases. Starting at number 5. Corsair 5000D Airflow. Finally, if you just want a simple and modern case that offers good value for money, then you can't go wrong with this one. Corsair's model fits neatly between their 4000D and 7000D Airflow offerings, in terms of size and price. While not as feature-rich as the other choices above, it's been a popular seller, and for good reasons. Coming at number 4. Fractal Design Define 7. Versatility often requires a chassis to be overly large, but that's not true of this compact, sub-$200 offering. The Fractal Design Define 7 is a feature-packed case that is also versatile with a dual layout interior. There's plenty of room for working inside, which is made easier by the tool-free panels. There's also a Nexus Plus 2 PWM fan hub, great cable management, a dedicated fill port for refilling water loops, and a vented top panel that adds to its top thermal performance. At number 3. NZXT H710i CA. If you're after something that's giving you a head start with setting up internal lighting, then this is an ideal choice. NZXT's latest smart case looks gorgeous and now comes with a faster microprocessor for its CAM software-powered smart device, which utilizes machine learning to find the perfect point between noise and performance for fans. It also controls the integrated RGB lighting. For just under $200, the H710i offers 4 120mm fans, USB Type-C, and support for vertically mounted GPUs. But its best feature could be the excellent cable routing, which uses built-in cable channels at the back to keep everything tidy. Number 2 of my list. Lian Li011 Dynamic XL. If the more traditional look of the Phanteks Eclipse isn't for you, and you're after something just as flexible, but with a modern, stylish appearance, then this case is a great choice. An update to the 011 Dynamic. This case looks stunning thanks to its removable front and side tempered glass and multiple RGB modes. The XL is more spacious than its predecessor, allowing for larger components while making it an excellent case to work inside. With its modular design, the Dynamic XL offers a huge amount of flexibility for different builds. Highlights include the hot swappable bays, excellent cooling, capacity for up to 10 storage drives, and support for vertical GPU mounting and eATX motherboards. There's also a Razer version so you can synchronize the lighting with the company's peripherals. The only problem might be the $200 plus price tag. And number 1. Phanteks. Phanteks has long been a favorite brand among PC builders, and for good reason. Its products regularly compete for eCase of the Year awards, and the P600S is no exception, combining high performance and low noise levels in an attractive case at a compelling price. On the outside, users have the option of removing the sound dampening front panels and revealing the fabric mesh filter, which allows for better airflow and improved performance. Alternatively, you can leave them in place for near silent running. There's also a tempered glass magnetic side panel that's easy to open, and a neatly hidden I/O panel, featuring USB Type-C and dual 3.0 ports. Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.